Ble Scanner App, Ble Scanning and Advertising App. So here you have it. Number one scanner utility for Bluetooth Low Energy Scanner. Ble Scanner was developed using to help Bluetooth community developers who want to build Ble products and applications. But basically here you have it. And then yeah, you can just tap open, and then you can just basically easily find devices, Bluetooth devices around you with this app. And it's much more kind of precise than your original settings app, Bluetooth Finder app in settings, because here in my in standard settings app you can find maybe 5 Bluetooth devices. Here you can literally find like dozens. Well, maybe not 5 in the original, you can find 10. Here you can see you can find 30. Pretty cool. And then you can find even some devices which is like 80 meters or even like 100 meters. It even detects them, but it just says not connectable. 40 meters. So yeah, and then you can see history, and you can even try to connect with them. So super powerful app. You can export data, and then there are some tutorials. Pretty cool.